guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. If you're new here, welcome back, sweeties. In today's video, I'm going to try to achieve a look of a box braid that is not too heavy, not too cumbersome, and she wants to be able to put her hair in one. And this is actually for her graduation, and I wish I had a picture to show you of what the outcome on her graduation, how she was able to style it, but unfortunately I didn't get that. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can achieve a box braid look without your braid not being too heavy or too cumbersome or too jumbersome or too thick and too heavy. Client is a teenager. She don't want it to be heavy. She just wants something very simple that she can dress it up, put it in one at any time, and she want this style for her graduation. So I am using the pre-stretch box braid in the 34 inches, and this one is very thick. So guys, how I achieve this look is to just part her hair in a medium size, and I also, what I did with the extension, I made the extension, did it in smaller pieces so that it will not be too heavy. You want this to be very flexible and the braid moving free and light. So that is a look that I try to give my client as she desire. Guys, remember to keep watching this video to the end. And doing this style can be a little different. It's different in a sense where it's not too heavy and it's not really too cumbersome. You can be able to style it as you wish doing this style. And I know a lot of you know how to do your box braid, but sometimes when the client here is very thick, another thing you can do is to braid that you are touching, make it to be a little slimmer or a little smaller pieces. That will give you that effect of having a slimmer, flexible, movable box braid style. Watching this video to the end, guys, remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much, and you do have a blessed and an awesome day. Bye.